The ongoing Iran-US conflict has now reached dangerously close to India's maritime neighborhood. In a dramatic escalation, a United States Navy submarine torpedoed and sank an Iranian warship in international waters near the Indian Ocean near Sri Lanka, killing more than 85 sailors and raising concerns across the region. The warship, IRIS Dena, was struck roughly 40 nautical miles off the southern coast of Sri Lanka, an area that lies along critical sea lanes used by global trade and energy shipments. What makes the incident even more significant for India is that the Iranian vessel had recently participated in naval exercises hosted by India before starting its journey back home. The frigate had taken part in international naval events in Visakhapatnam, which included the International Fleet Review and the Milan Naval Exercise, attended by multiple countries. Soon after leaving the region and heading west through the Indian Ocean, the ship was targeted by a US submarine using a torpedo, sinking it within minutes. Sri Lankan authorities launched a rescue operation after receiving distress calls from the sinking vessel. Around 180 sailors were believed to be on board. 87 bodies have been recovered so far. 32 sailors were rescued alive. Dozens more remain missing. Survivors were rushed to hospitals in Galle, Sri Lanka, while naval and air units continued search operations in the surrounding waters. US officials confirmed that the Iranian frigate was destroyed by a Mark 48 torpedo fired from an American submarine, calling it a demonstration of America's global military reach. Experts say such submarine attacks on warships are extremely rare. In fact, this is one of the few confirmed cases since World War II where a submarine has sunk an enemy surface warship in combat.